Lawmakers have introduced the Bipartisan Iran Act to counter Iran's severe internet restrictions and bolster access to uncensored information for protesters. The Internet Reach and Access Now Act, unveiled February 4 by Representatives Eric Swalwell, Claudia Tenney, Yasemin Ansari, Maria Elvira Salazar, Dave Min, and Stephanie Bice, mandates a U.S. strategy promoting VPNs, satellite technology, and tools to combat nationwide blackouts. According to sources, the bill also lifts sanctions on vital communication tools to keep Iranians connected. Iran ranks third worst globally for internet freedom with a score of 13 out of 100, behind only China and Myanmar, marked by heavy surveillance, content limits, and user rights abuses. Reports indicate these controls have silenced demonstrators during deadly protests where tens of thousands faced violence. Industry analysts say this non-military measure could empower human rights advocates and challenge the regime's grip without invasion. What to watch for? Swift congressional action on this fast-track legislation.
vp.net, the only VPN that you don't have to trust, because it can't spy on you.